Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanji. Oftentimes, I've heard some students or friends, they try to greet people in Chinese, but they don't realize that they are actually doing in the wrong way. Please stop saying Ni Hao Ma to people every time. We don't actually say that. In today's video, we're going to learn some greetings in Chinese and learn how the Chinese people greet in their daily lives. If you are interested in learning more Chinese and Chinese culture, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. Next time you will be seeing my latest Chinese teaching video. Alright, without further ado, let's dive into the video. As you may already know, the normal greeting form is Ni Hao. Ni Hao literally mean Ni, you, Hao means good, Ni Hao, you good. But it means hello in English. You may ask, yeah, what's wrong with saying Ni Hao or Ni Hao Ma? Well, there's nothing wrong with saying Ni Hao or Ni Hao Ma. In fact, we greet different people in different ways. Yeah, I know that's a bit confusing and annoying, but if you know how to greet people like the native people do, you will actually build a relationship between you and the persons in a faster way. And I'm sure your Chinese friends will be impressed. Let's start with the regular normal greetings. Ni hao, that means hello. Ni hao. The other one is ning hao. Ning hao. That also means hello. Different pronunciation, but it's a polite form to show your respect to the person or the elder, like your teacher or your boss or customers, clients, or someone who is old. Ni hao ma, ni hao ma, and ning hao ma, ning hao ma. These two phrases both mean how are you in English. Ma is question particle, changes a statement to a question. These two phrases are often used when you first meet someone or you want to approach someone. It also can be used to greet someone that you don't often meet. Fact number 2, you often meet someone that you respect or someone's job position is higher than yours. That's how you would say it. Profession plus 好. For example, 老师好, 校长好, 老板好. Fact number 3, someone who has similar age or someone who works in the same company, you can just call their names directly and ask them if they have meals or if they are at work. I know that sounds a bit ridiculous, but do you actually ask your colleagues how are you on a daily basis? I guess the answer is no, right? So how do you greet your peer or your colleague at work? 陈生，你在忙吗？还好，刚完成了经理交代的事情。你呢？我也还好，要不我们下班一起去喝杯东西。Please keep in mind and take note if necessary. We really like to greet people by asking 你吃饭了吗？你吃饭了吗？ Some people like to use this sentence to show they care about you, and some people like to use this sentence as a topic opener and then slightly translate to the main point. By the way, this sentence is often used on a phone call as well. Fact number 4, we don't say 你好 when you see your close friends. Just like in the West, people greet their good friends by saying, hey, what's up? Hey, what's good? Or any other greetings phrases. Same here in China, we don't say 你好 to our good friends. We would just say 今天去哪? Or 你在干嘛? Or straight to the topic and start chatting with each other. For example, 我们今天去哪儿？我想喝奶茶。那要不我们现在就去喝奶茶？ Fact number 5, when you haven't seen a friend for a while or for a really long time, that's how you say it in Chinese. 好久不见，你最近怎么样？好久不见，你最近怎么样？ Or 最近在忙什么呢？最近在忙什么呢？ The other option is 最近没有听见你的消息啊，过得怎么样？最近没有听见你的消息啊，过得怎么样？ For example, one day, Lily bumped into one of her old friends from high school, and she hasn't seen her for 2 years already. She says, 美美，好久不见，你最近过得怎么样？美美 would say, 真的好久不见啊，丽丽。我最近刚搬回深圳，现在就出来买点东西，准备回家做饭。你呢？最近在忙什么呢？ Alright, that's all for today's video. I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you want to learn how to introduce yourself in Chinese, you can check out this video right here. See you in the next one. Bye! 再见!